Hi, today we are going to discuss about the functions in Python. Function is a code or a collection of statements which performs a task. Okay, it will start from def. This is a description of a function that is called def. Def we will call in Python. So def my func, so parenthesis and colon I have given, and immediately we have to give enter. So there is a indentation it will following. Here indentation is very specific, and under the my func there is a print is printing, so that is called indentation. If I wanted to go for some other lines in the def my func also, I need to give under the print only, otherwise it won't consider that inside that function content. So this content will be separately it will consider. Now the second function is adding my func add. So this is I am just returning the adding of two numbers return. So which is, see, I am passing some parameters, and these parameters I am returning by adding. So the same way multiple operations that I am going to do. To understand more, to get into the concept, to understand the function concept in our understanding, in our easily understandable way, that is arithmetic operations. So all the arithmetic operations I am doing, because now functionality wise we should not feel very difficult. So that's why what I am doing is, whatever the understandable way is there, the same thing I am just trying to explain. So the return statement that we are speaking about is, return statement is basically return something from the function. So here what we are returning from is, from add method return a plus b, from minus method return a minus b, from multi function return a into b, from divide function this is I am returning a by b. Okay. So, sometimes we want to return some information back, that is nothing but return statement. So I would like to return something, means then this is the all content that whatever we have discussed till now. So this return statement is more useful wherever I am calling that particular place. This value will be reflected over there. So that function, if I am calling this function in some other function or in some other variable, if I am assigning, it will create the communication it will maintain, and get the response means here the return statement will give you the response. Okay. So that is called return. So finally why we are using return means, return will communicate from the method. If I want some output from that particular method, then I can use the same. So I can use this particular return method. Here writing def I am writing def my func with the arguments def my func divide. These are all the function definition. Okay. But only function definition won't help. Okay, I need to call the method also. So that particular step we are going to take in the next steps. You need to observe that also, because until and unless if I am not calling that this particular method definition, then otherwise definition, this whole code which is written, it won't be useful. Okay. So this is function calling. Okay. Here I am calling by passing some values inside to this. So see here my func. So some values I am passing. So in an understandable manner, add 1 comma 2. See here it is 1 comma 2 means a in the place of a I have given 1, and in the place of b 2 I have given here. So 1 plus 2 it will return. That is what? 3. 3 it is going to print. at the same time, print my func divide means 10 is the a value and 2 is the b value. So 10 by 2, it is 5, right? So next value is my func minus. Next function is my func minus. So it is 10 minus 1, 9 it is going to return, right? So my func multiply 3 comma 7. So I 3 into 7, 3 times of 7, so 21 it is going to return. So my func with the arguments. So this thing I need to work, this thing I need to pass the values, right? There are 3 parameters that I need to pass: first name, last name, and greeting. So John I am passing over here, and one more next value I have to pass, as I am just passing as Kenny. And the greeting value I just need to enter, so that it will print in the percentage s. There is a print method, hello percentage s comma from my function percentage s. So in the place of every percentage s, it is going to print these particular first name, last name, and greeting. These are all the values that we can see in the console. Please take a deep look in the downside. That is where I have selected in the downside, like we can see the output as expected. See, whatever we have written the method and we have ran the program, and we got a successfully, we got output from whatever we have written the method functions in the particular, from the particular area. Yeah, see, hello John Kenny from my function hello world. See, I am just entered 3 values, and I have tried to display them. That's it. Thank you.